16 na regional parliamentary political party ang nakapaghain sa COMELEC BARM ng petition for registration, manifestation in lieu of the petition for registration at manifestation of intent para makilahok sa 2026 BARM elections. 28 naman ang sectoral organizations. Ang News Now sa report.
Mula March 17 hanggang April 7, 2026, 16 na regional parliamentary political party ang nakapaghain sa COMELEC BARM ng petition for registration, manifestation in lieu of the petition for registration at manifestation of intent para makilahok sa 2026 BARM elections. Ito ang kinabibilangan ng Bangsamoro Party o BAPA, United Bangsamoro Justice Party o UBJP, Alliance of Bangsamoro Tri-People's Party ABOT, Bangsamoro People's Democratic Party o RAAYAT, BES Party o BES, Progresibong Bangsamoro Party, Pro Bangsamoro, Bangsamoro People's Party BPP, Mahardika, Bangsamoro Federalist Party BFP, BARM Grand Coalition BGC, Al-Ittihad, Ungaya sa Kawagib no Bangsamoro Al-Ittihad o UKB, Moro Ako Party, Moro Ako, People's Consultative Musyawara Party, Partido Bangon Bangsamoro o PBB, Indigenous Settlers Sama and Minorities Alliance o ISAMA Party, Serbisyong Inklusibo Alyansang Progresibo o SIAP. Samantala, 28 naman ang sectoral organization. Ito ang kinabibilangan ng Royal Sultanate of Langkong Traditional Leader, Christian Settler for Peace Settler Community, Settler Organization for Peace and Development Settler Community, Iranon Sultanate League of the Philippines Traditional Leader, UBJP Women Sectoral Wings Women, UBJP Settler Community Sectoral Wings Settler Community, UBJP Traditional Leader Sectoral Wings Traditional Leader, UBJP Ulama Sectoral Wings Ulama, UBJP Youth Sectoral Wings for Youth, Dato sa Kabuntalan Matampay sa Maguindanao, Royal Descendants Association Leader Tradition, Royal Sultanate of Eastern Unayan Traditional Leader, the Royal House of Sultanate of Pigcawayan Traditional Leader, Royal House of the Sultanate of Marawi Traditional Leader, BGC Settler Community Sectors Settler Community, BGC Traditional Leader Sectors for Traditional Leader, BGC Ulama Sector Ulama, BGC Youth Sector Youth, Royal Sultanate of Malungon Traditional Leader, BAPA Sectoral Wings for Women.
It was so smooth and of course very peaceful and very successful. Imagine that yung dati prior to the extensions, we actually received 1,500 petitioners. Sa ngayon, for RPP, Original Political Parliamentary Parties, we have only 15. And on sa sectoral organizations, we have 28 petitioners. According to one of the concerned office, particularly sa settlers community, medyo nalanganan yung mga different organizations because it was made anong tawag doon? Lahat ang boboto. All of the voters of BARM, even those not under the particular sectors they're running for, ay pwedeng bumoto sa kanila. So it's very remote na manalo sila, lalo na kung yung mga maliliit na organizations. Kaya hindi na sila sumubok mag-register.
Vermon Calis, iMinds Philippines.